Hi everyone, welcome to a very interesting talk from Brilliant Matters. I'm delighted to introduce the founder and CEO of Brilliant Matters, Mr. Jean-Rémi Pouliot. And today he will tell us about how Brilliant Matters is able to produce reliable organic semiconductors. Jean-Rémi, over to you. Enjoy the presentation.
Thank you, Christoph. As Christoph mentioned, we did change a little bit the theme of the presentation to give you a bit more broader approach of what the Brand Matter is doing. Of course, I'm going to be discussing about material development for OPD, but I'm going to tackle also other business case that we've been working around for the past years. So, as Christoph mentioned, I'm Jean-Rémi Pouliot. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Brand Matters. And today I'm going to be presenting a little bit the history of Brand Matters in general, what's Brand Matters all about, and three case study, one's in the OPV, another in carbon nanotube sorting, and the last one for material for next generation OPD. So a little bit of background. Just how we started this company is quite interesting. We're very sorry for that. We've done our graduate study in Mario Leclerc's group in Laval University in Quebec. And back in 2009, we were working with a lot of different polymeric organic semiconductors. And there was always two things that come up when we were discussing with external partners, R&D or industrial. That's the polymers were not too much reliable, and the other side it was super expensive. So Philippe, François, and myself dedicated our graduate studies to develop a new production methods very dedicated to making those organic semiconductors and conductors in a reliable way and affordable to the manufacturing partners also. So once we reach a certain maturity for this platform, we incorporate. So it was back in 2016. We've been quite successful down the road. We have a lot of fantastic customer. So we've been expanding each year, and now we're at 13 employees. We're still located in Quebec City. We're really in the printing organic electronics, and what it's bringing to the table is we need new materials to make those new kind of devices. And one type of which is a particular interest at Brand Matters is the organic semiconductors. The thing that we think it make them very suitable for a lot of different application in the electronic is that they're air stable material with virtually lifetime shelf life. You can design those organic semiconductors in a way to make them possible to go through an ink, to dissolve, formulate into an ink. They're non-toxic, make mostly carbon-based, made for abundant materials, and usually you can use the technology behind all the pharmaceutical. So you're using the raw materials down to pharmaceutical supply chain, and you use the manufacturing processes also that's been lying around for now for more than 50 years. So it's quite fantastic in that very aspect. The other thing is the flexibility of those organic semiconductors. So you can play with virtually there's no boundary to the number of architecture you can think about. So you can really design any material suitable for your application. You can change the color. You can, with playing with the band gap, for instance, you can have some biocompatible moieties. You can also design any kind of sensing technologies also around those material, and it's really bridging the realm between plastic and inorganic semiconductors or the brittle semiconductors. So you can think about very flexible material, very stretchable material also. The the potential to unlock this class of materials comes down to printing technology. So those are big molecules. You cannot go to vacuum process them. You need to have a wet process to that. And thanks to the last 10 to 15 years, we've seen more and more people developing new equipment in the printing electronics space. And when you combine those, you have a very beautiful set of technology. It's very simple.